today's episode.
Howdy, 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 ho. Heedy, 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 heedy.
Let's get started. Make sure you subscribe.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today is day, and you're hanging with Mr. Dylan92. It's currently 3:15 on a Monday morning. And guess what? Guess where I'm going? Yep, to work. It's been about a week and a bit, almost 2 weeks, since I did my whitening on the bottom of my teeth, even if they're still white. So I'm drinking coffee again. Man, I miss coffee, eh? Coffee helps, like nice warm drink on this phlegm infested throat and chest of mine. Oh, we're getting through. Monday, eh? New week. New chance to attack this weight loss journey. All guns blazing. I was just listening to the weather on the radio. They reckon it's going to be a bit warmer today. Got tops of 20. So that's a positive. That is a positive. It's just these mornings, man. But like, again, I think I said the other day, it's not as cold as it was like last year and the year before, but it's still cold. You know what's really getting on my nerves too? It's saying, it's 6 degrees, but it feels like 3. I don't understand. What do you mean? It feels like 3 degrees. How does it feel like 3 degrees, but it's not 3 degrees? So how does 3 degrees feel when it is 3 degrees? 0? I don't understand. I don't know, bro. I don't know about you, but like, if you're in Australia, around like Sydney, right? Have you guys been noticing, like I've been noticing, the amount of magpies just everywhere? Now, I'm pretty sure magpie season was like the mid-August, start of September, yeah? They're coming out early, and there is a lot of them, eh? I'm predicting a very bad swooping season this year. And if anyone watches my channel that's not in Australia and you're like, bro, what are you on about? We've got these birds called magpies. They're like a black and white bird. And they're very protective of their area. So like, say they build a nest in a tree, that's their area. So if you walk past that tree, this bird's gonna come swoop you, man. Come swoop you, beak first, feet first. Just telling you to get out of here. It's crazy. But yeah, man, I see them everywhere lately. I feel like it's just a bit weird, but maybe they're all out mating, making them babies. I don't know. And yeah, man, I'll stop blubbering on. I'm very tired this morning, very, very tired. It's just this broken sleep, man. It's not the kids, like I'm used to the baby crying, but it's the getting up to cough that's freshing me. So I gotta get up, cough a whole bunch of phlegm out. That means go to the toilet, spit all the phlegm out, come back to bed, and like going from like after having a coughing fit, you're like wide awake. I'm doing it like 3 times a night. the baby crying is no effect anymore because Ashley is a champion with the baby. You know, feeding her, taking care of her. Remember, this phlegm, I'm telling you, in the last week, I've spat out enough phlegm to fill up like probably 2 buckets, bro. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm slowly getting better. During the day is not too bad. It's the night times that scratch me, but we'll get through it. It's hitting everyone. Kai sick, Lay sick. Ash is the only one that's not sick. That's probably because she goes to the gym every morning. But we'll see how we go. Hopefully I get in the sauna tonight. I should. I'm going to work. See you guys later. Alright, finished work. Monday's finished at work. I just sat there for like half an hour editing so I can save the video on the way home because I will not post this video late today. I feel like I'm missing out on potential viewers and subscribers because I'm posting at ridiculous stupid times. I've been on my analytics and all that. I know what times I should be posting, but like the shit just takes ages to upload, like. So I've got to get in front of it. I will get in front of it. We're getting back on track. Today's back on track Monday. And yeah, it was a good day at work. Did everything I needed to do. Now I'm gonna go home, have a pre-workout. Do some cardio, do some chest, and then get in the sauna and sweat out the rest of this sickness I got. I'm clearing up a bit, but you know, I'm good during the day. It's the night time and early mornings that really stuffs me, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, play it by ear with this sickness. I need the sickness gone by Thursday, Arvo. I'm not rescheduling my dentist again. I need to get these temporaries out and get my perms in. Get my permanent crowns in, man. Yeah, that's my 2 cents for today. I'll see you when I get home. So, got home a little bit later than planned. Had to go to the shops, get some medicine for Kai, and this spray thing for Lay. So, I'm not going to work out, but I will have a sauna. I'm going to get in the sauna now. See? I'll have a sauna. Half hour, 45 minutes or something. See how we go. 54 degrees. I'll put it on time lapse, this, that, all that shit. I'll just get my gear off. I don't want to have pre-workout because I got an early one in the morning and it's already late, so I want to catch up on some sleep. Look at me, I'm tired as. If my body can let me, I'll try an hour. But I don't know. Where's my stopwatch? I put this on, what do you call it? Timer. Alright, it's been about 40 minutes. My freaking timer died. Even though you turn it off and just leave it off, you think the battery stays there, but apparently it uses battery when it's turned off. I'm sweating heaps. Feel good. Alright, I'm gonna go have a shower and then see what I'm gonna have for dinner. For dinner tonight, I'm gonna make this Manshake mousse custard thing. Says if you can leave it in the fridge for a little bit. I leave it in the fridge for like 5-10 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. Yeah, not bad. Alright, time for bed. We'll see how tonight goes. See how rough it gets. Feeling a bit better. Happy I've done the sauna. Sauna's better than nothing. Could have done half an hour on cardio instead of half an hour in the sauna, but I chose to do sauna. And one is better than none, in my opinion. Yeah, go early on tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up about 2. But I should be finished early. Fingers crossed. Cross your fingers for me. See you in the morning.